supermarket. No, I'm not going to the supermarket, I go to the airshow. That's good, isn't it? Shoreham Airshow.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Brighton.
Okay then,
Calling at
7:30.
Southwick,
That's not it.
Foxy, Hove, and
I don't pay airshow ticket to Hove, but I can always get another one. It's so funny. Not go back home to get it. It's exciting. Walk to the river, then up the river to the bridge, cross the bridge, go to the airport. That's good, isn't it? Dancing. And dancing. Dancing, dancing. Wake up, everybody. I better get going, I'm nearly there. Bye-bye. Shoreham Airport, the airshow. After a fall. I might go out a cup of tea and a cake. Can't leave. Wow. It started to lighten up. There's no rain, so that's good. Let's go have a cup of tea and a cake.
We're just doing a run now with the Pawnee tug. He's going to pick up a banner. You'll be seeing the tug later on during the day. Towing gliders. See if that works. And we do thank you for your support. This is an entirely volunteer run show. All the money that you donate goes to the Royal Air Forces Association, which does much valuable work, particularly at this unfortunate time when we have many of our loved ones serving abroad, Iraq, Afghanistan and so on. RAPA does a lot to support those people, and our RAPA chief fundraiser is here today. He's come all the way down from Leicester, and he'll be speaking to you at times during the day to further encourage you to put all your loose money in these little buckets that the boys and girls are carrying around. So we do honestly thank you for your support. Just to remind you, this particular air show, which raises money purely for RAPA, makes more money in a year than all the other RAPA branches put together. We are the biggest single fundraiser for the whole of the Royal Air Forces Association. There is no government assistance at all, so all the money comes from us. And I'm delighted to add to the thanks for your support, my personal thanks to the 400, or actually 400 volunteers help to run this show. Many of the pilots and the aeroplanes as well appear without charge. You'll be seeing a formation team this afternoon that have waived all their expenses in order to be here. Guy Westgate there flying the tug, the Pawnee, the Piper Pawnee tug, and that run was at exactly 100 feet, as near as Guy can make it. And we do that deliberately because there are certain displays that are not allowed to go below that height. And we have an experienced team of pilots members of the so-called Flight Control Committee. And they are here to look after your safety, purely to look after your safety, and if they're unhappy with any of the displays, they will of course take some action. That run at exactly 100 feet allows the members of the team to calibrate their eyes to get some idea of where 100 feet is in the air. I mentioned safety. Now is a good time to give you the necessary health and safety briefing that we have to do at all public events nowadays. Now please do listen to this. It could be important. Air displays can by their very nature be dangerous events. The crowd line, which you're sitting behind now, is set up at a safe distance from the runway. Please do not cross the crowd barrier. Should you need first aid or medical assistance, the St. John ambulance are here, and they have several first aid posts set up in the public area, or approach any one of our stewards or fire crews for assistance. Anybody wearing a wrapper badge will be able to help you. In the unlikely event that there is an incident during the flying display, the first important thing is to stay where you are. Please do not move. Our rescue services will attend and deal with any problems. We will keep you updated as soon as we have more information, but please remain where you are. If there is an incident in the public areas, such as a fire or other emergency, we will advise you. Please stay clear from any such emergency and allow the emergency services vehicles through to deal with it. I thank you, and I'm sure we'll have a very pleasant and safe day. Today's display, by the way, and tomorrow's as well, are probably the best we'll ever see at Shoreham. Shoreham is noted for its variety, and I'll shut up while the tug comes in. Poor man, 1,000 eyes. Try to pour these safely down. Today's display is massive, and we will be playing some evocative music at times during the day as well. And here come the fire and rescue vehicles showing off like mad. They are in fact checking the runway at the same time, and they're also checking that all the vehicles work and are fully serviceable, and then they can hopefully just be put away for the rest of the day. Drove to Heathrow every morning to sit in an office. 5 days a week anyway, I would drive to Heathrow. 3 of those days I'd sit in an office, maybe 4, the other one I'd go flying. But the M25, when they first opened it, used to sound like this all the time. The vehicles are showing off the hard runway. Runway 20 likely to be in use throughout today. That means from the right to the left. Aircraft will be landing from the right, coming near to Lancing College Chapel to land. And aircraft will be sometimes taxiing out on the runway. Some of the bigger aeroplanes, the jets and the Catalina, will backtrack on the runway as it's called, and then turn around, line up and take off as the vehicles are going now. But other aircraft, particularly the lighter aeroplanes, will use the grass runway. We've cut a grass strip. It's not normally open, it's parallel to the main runway, and the boys who are rolling up the banner now are on the grass runway. Doesn't enjoy himself, that fire engine. makes all those noises all the time.